Hello, little friends, and welcome back to From Mangoes to Maples, where stories from India travel all the way to your homes here in Canada. It's me, Millie, and today's story is about cleanliness. In yoga, there is an important idea called Sauch. Saucha means cleanliness and purity, keeping both our surroundings and our minds clean, peaceful, and balanced. This means that cleanliness has been a part of the Indian culture since a very, very long time. Today's story is called The Ashram by the River. Many years ago, in Rishikesh, near the banks of River Ganga, there lived a gentle yoga teacher named Swami Sivananda. People traveled from many places to learn from him. Some wanted to learn yoga postures, some wanted to learn wisdom, some wanted peace. One day, a young boy named Mohan arrived at the ashram. Mohan imagined he would immediately learn difficult yoga postures and secret meditation techniques. But to his surprise, on his very first morning, Swami Sivananda handed him a broom. Mohan blinked in surprise. A broom? He asked softly. Swami Sivananda smiled. Yes, he said. First clean your room, then sweep the courtyard, then help clean the river steps. Mohan felt disappointed. I came here to learn wisdom, he thought, not to sweep floors. Still, he obeyed, thinking that's what his guru wanted him to do. The next day, the guru again asked him to clean, and the next day too. Soon Mohan became irritated. One evening, he finally asked, Guruji, why do you keep asking me to clean everything? Swami Sivananda calmly held Mohan's hand and took him to the riverbank. The evening sun shimmered on the water. Then the Guru picked up an old muddy bowl and asked, Can you see your reflection clearly in this bowl? Mohan looked in carefully. No, he replied. Then Swami Sivananda washed the bowl slowly in the river water. Little by little, the bowl became clean and shiny. Now Mohan could see his reflection clearly. Guruji smiled gently. This is what Sauch teaches us. Mohan listened carefully. When dirt gathers on a bowl, we cannot see clearly. In the same way, when our surroundings become messy and careless, our minds can also begin to feel heavy, distracted, and restless. Then he added softly, Cleanliness is not about being perfect, it is about creating space for peace, for focus, and respect. Mohan looked around the peaceful ashram, and he looked at the ashram differently now. For the first time, he understood. Cleaning was not punishment, it was practice. From that day onward, Mohan swept carefully, folded his blankets neatly, washed his plates properly, and helped keep the ashram calm and clean. And slowly, something changed inside him too. His mind felt quieter, his thoughts felt clearer. Even learning became easier. Children, cleanliness is not only about being told to clean your room, it is also about respecting your space, respecting people around you, learning responsibility, and creating calm around yourself. Wherever in Canada you live now, whether it's a small town or a big city, small habits matter everywhere. Putting toys away, organizing your backpack, cleaning up after eating, throwing garbage in the bins, helping keep classrooms clean and parks clean. Remember, children, your neighbors are looking at you. Your friends are learning from you. Whether you are a clean and tidy person does matter. Just like Mohan learned in the ashram, when our surroundings become cleaner, our minds often feel calmer too. Think about this. What is one small thing you can clean or organize today without being asked? I hope you remember cleanliness is not punishment. It is not something that needs to be told again and again. It is a part of our routine. Cleanliness helps bring peace, focus, responsibility, and calmness into our lives. From India's land to Canada's snow, may seeds of kindness always grow.